In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account in Myfxbook. First, open your browser and head to myfxbook.com. Log in to your existing account. If you're new, create one. It only takes a moment. And complete any quick verification so you have full access. For security, always make sure you're on the official Myfxbook website and avoid logging in from shared or untrusted devices. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, you want to open the Add Account screen. You can do this in two simple ways. The first is to use the Portfolio menu near the top of the page, which takes you straight to your Accounts area. The second is to click your profile avatar and choose Settings, which leads to the same tools for managing your portfolio. On that page, look for the Add Account button. It's typically located toward the bottom right corner. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the page or slightly widen your browser window so all controls are visible. Clicking. Add Account opens a list of supported trading platforms. You'll see popular options such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or Oanda, along with others that may be available. Choose the platform where you actually place your trades. Picking the correct one is important because it determines how Myfxbook connects to your data and ensures your history, open positions, and performance stats are imported accurately. After you select your platform, Myfxbook will guide you through a short, platform-specific connection process. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on what you chose, you may confirm your broker and server, authorize secure access, or connect through a broker-provided interface. Keep your platform details handy so you can move through this smoothly, but only enter what Myfxbook asks for on its official pages. As a best practice, never share your full trading password. Myfxbook connections are designed to read your trading history and statistics without placing trades, so they typically use read-only access for safety. When the connection is complete, Myfxbook begins syncing your account. The first import can take a few minutes, especially if you've been trading for a while. Once finished, go back to your portfolio, where you should see your newly added account with its balance, equity, and performance metrics. If you manage multiple accounts, consider giving each a clear name so you can identify them at a glance, and adjust any display preferences from settings. If something doesn't connect on the first try, recheck the prompts and try again, or consult the Myfxbook Help Center for platform-specific tips. That's it. You've added your account and you're ready to track your trading with confidence.